I recently watched an interview that reminded me of one of the most beautiful verses in the Quran. Let's see what Emma says.
Please help me, God. I don't know what to do. And I started really just putting my faith in him and speaking to him directly and not wanting to be a part of like an organized church, but instead having a relationship with God. And it's completely like fully just changed me. And I feel have so much comfort.
When I heard Emma say that, it immediately reminded me of this beautiful verse in the Quran. One of the teachings I love most about Islam is that your relationship with Allah is personal. You don't need a special place. You don't need a special person. You can simply turn to Allah and speak to Him. The Quran says, "And when my servants ask you about me, indeed I am near. I respond to the call of the one who calls upon me whenever they call upon me." I love this verse because Allah doesn't say find me. He doesn't say go through someone else. He simply says I am near. And then there is another beautiful verse. Call upon me, I will respond to you. Think about that. No matter where you are, no matter what you're going through, no matter how many mistakes you've made, Allah invites you to call upon Him directly. That's one of the most beautiful teachings of Islam. This isn't about criticizing Christianity or any other religion. I simply wanted to share a message from the Quran that has brought peace and comfort to millions of people for over 1400 years. Maybe that's exactly what someone needed to hear today.